Welcome to Mad Max the Producer channel. Don't break your head thinking about how to fix something, and don't let your hands be faster than your head. But watch this video and save money by quickly fixing the problem and not doing unnecessary damage. We got a Ford B Max for repair. The car won't move because the wheel is locked. This fault usually occurs on Ford B Max, Fiesta and Transit and causes one or more brakes to lock when the brake pedal is pressed. It is commonly known for one wheel to fail and cause the brake to lock on. However, opposite wheels can fail at the same time, for example near side front and offside rear, or near side rear and offside front. Where is the problem? Max unscrewed the hydraulic supply pipe on the brake caliper and the pressure in the system dropped. What happened? The wheel turns freely, which is a very common problem for brake blockage, because the movement of the flexible rubber hose creates a plug in it that prevents the flow of .4 brake fluid back to the reservoir. The wheel turns freely again, so we can conclude that the flexible hose is okay. According to mechanic Max, the problem is in the ABS unit, namely in the central mechanical part, which is controlled by an electric motor and solenoid valves. The ABS module, which is difficult to access, is screwed here. The electrical supply. We move the expansion tank. To make our way to the ABS module, we need to remove the hose with the airflow meter. We can use Juvie silicone spray T1000 to make it easier to dismantle the rubber hose. We also need to dismantle the air throttle. Now it's time to attack the ABS module. The module number is D1B122C405AF, manufactured by 8. Now Max will repair the ABS module. You may have been told that you need an expensive new ABS unit to solve this problem with your brakes locking up. The manufacturer offers a 1-year warranty on a new original ABS unit. So Max decided to go with a flawless used one. Max decided to replace the middle part of the module with a used one from Ford Fiesta. The catalog numbers match, so there shouldn't be any major problems. The original electronic module with solenoids must be removed from the faulty ABS unit and installed on a flawless central hydraulic regulator. I recommend using Juvi heavy-duty grease in a spray. We spray the bolts and they will catch easier, because aluminum is a lean material and there can be problems. This is a simple device for pouring .4 oil and creating pressure in the brake hydraulic system, and serves as a device for bleeding the hydraulic system. We press the brake pedal until clean oil flows through the tube without air bubbles, and then tighten the bleed screw. We repeat the same procedure on all 4 wheels. The bleed screw in the front requires a size 11 wrench and the one in the rear an 8. After bleeding the hydraulic system, check if all the wheels are turning and if we are on the right track. Max recommends changing the brake discs and pads, because the wheel has been blocked for a long time and has overheated the discs, which can cause the steering wheel to shake and uneven braking. Connect the battery. Press the brake pedal until it becomes mostly hard. If this yellow light appears, we need to clear the errors and calibrate the hydraulic pressure unit. Thanks for watching, save money and welcome.